In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Trello, whether you're using Windows or a Mac. Mastering zoom controls can significantly enhance your viewing experience and make your Trello interface more accessible based on your needs. Whether you want to get a closer look at your boards or pull back for a broader view, knowing how to navigate these settings can make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's begin with the steps for Windows users. If you're using a Windows PC, you'll find that adjusting your view is simple and quick. To zoom in, simply press the Control key on your keyboard along with the plus key. You should notice the interface enlarging, allowing you to see more details. If at any point you wish to zoom out, you can do this by pressing the Control key together with the minus key. This will shrink the display back, offering you a wider perspective of your boards. If ever you want to return the view to its default state, don't worry. You can do this with ease by pressing Ctrl and the number 0, resetting the zoom level back to its original setting. Now for those of you using a Mac, the process is quite similar with a few key differences. To zoom in, hold down the Command key and press the plus key on your keyboard. The project view will enlarge just as it did on Windows. To zoom out, simply hold the Command key and press the minus key, which will scale down the display to a wider view. And of course, to revert to the default zoom setting, pressing Command and 0 will instantly reset your view. For both Windows and Mac users, if you're using a mouse, there's an additional way to adjust your zoom. Hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, and then use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Scrolling upwards will zoom in, while scrolling down will zoom out. This method provides a more fluid way to adjust your view incrementally. Lastly, most web browsers offer another method to control zoom settings through their interface. Look for the three dots at the top right corner of your browser window. Clicking these dots will open a menu where you'll find the zoom option. Here you can manually adjust the zoom by clicking the minus or plus buttons. This straightforward feature allows for precise control over your zoom settings, ensuring you can tailor the display to meet your specific needs. With these techniques in your toolkit, zooming in and out on Trello should become second nature, allowing you to focus on what's important, whether you're organizing tasks or collaborating with your team. Thank you for watching, and happy zooming!